In this section of the program, we'll demonstrate methods of attaching slings. It is a common practice to use a wire rope sling around an overhead beam as an attachment for a chain block. To protect the sling around sharp corners, rubber insertion, or conveyor belting, is first installed beneath the sling. Rope yarn is used to secure the protective rubber. A common hitch used to attach a single sling to a beam or to a short round load is the single double wrap basket hitch. The single sling is wrapped twice around the beam, in our example, and the two eyes brought together. A suitable shackle is then used to secure both ends. When lifting a long, round load, a common method is to sling the load using a double wrap basket hitch. Two slings evenly spaced around the center of a load are used, wrapping one sling and then the other 1.5 times around the load. Next, the eyes are joined together with a shackle, making sure that the sling angle is less than 90 degrees. The next example is known as a single choker. This hitching method is commonly used for lifting such items as small motors, pumps, or short rectangular loads. The single sling is wrapped around the load center, one eye is then reeved through the other, and the sling pulled up tight around the load. Next we see the double choker, used to provide extra stability where there is the possibility of a load slipping. A long sling is doubled over, then wrapped around this load center, keeping the loop to the top. Next, both sling eyes are passed through the loop and pulled up tight. A shackle is used to join both sling eyes. Here we see a single double wrap choker hitch. A single sling is double wrapped around the load, then one eye is reeved through the other and pulled tight. The double wrap choker is used in similar situations as the single version. However, it is safer to use the double wrap choker as the possibility of a slipping load is greatly reduced. Two slings are used, each being double wrapped in choker method on either side of the load center. A shackle is used to join the sling ends. The angle between slings must, however, be no more than 90 degrees. Next, we look at a cradle slinging method, used commonly in lifting larger loads such as pumps or motors, which may not have a lifting eye. Two large slings are placed around the load, and the four eyes connected together with a suitable shackle. The eyes must not be allowed to cross or obstruct each other.